Hello everyone, today we are going to visit Lutong factory in Luoyang and check the roller for our client. Here we are at Lutong factory. Today I'd like to introduce the LT214B road roller, which is a popular model in our factory. The machine weighs 14 tons and is a vibrating single drum road roller. Let's have a look at its configurations. It uses Cummins National 2 diesel engine, which has stable performance, convenient operation and maintenance, energy saving and environmental protection. It also uses mechanical travel drive, double amplitude, hydraulic vibration and hydraulic steering, offering optimal function ratios and reliable performance. Vibration system equipped with open gear pump motor. Of course, it's a user-friendly design of Lutong. It is equipped with 2 sets of brake devices, which ensures safety and reliability. In order to facilitate maintenance and repair, the cab of Lutong roller can be tilted forward, and the engine hood can be opened at a large angle, so that the maintenance parts are clearly visible and within reach. Friends, are you intrigued by the Lutong 214B road roller after my introduction? If you are interested in learning more, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to answer your request. Until next time, farewell.